Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to change your download location for Safari on your Mac. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the Safari web browser. Once you've done this, navigate to the top left-hand corner and select Safari. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now you're inside the Safari settings. Make sure you're on the General tab at the very top. Navigate to where it says File Download Location. By default, it's going to be set to Downloads. Now we can change the location by selecting the drop-down menu and then select Other. Now navigate to the location you want to automatically download files to. So, I'm going to select my desktop and click on Select. As you can see, this has now been successfully changed. We can exit out of the Safari settings now. And the next time we download something, it's going to automatically download to the location you selected. Now, if you want to be prompted to select where to save your downloads every time you download something, first, open Safari web browser. Again, we need to navigate to the top left-hand corner, select Safari, and in the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Safari settings, make sure you're on the General tab at the very top and where it says File Download Location. Click on the drop-down menu and this time you want to select Ask for each download. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the Safari settings. And the next time you go to download something, you'll be able to manually select where to download it. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tutorials.